Welcome to Mr. English Flow.
English for everyone. Let's make learning fun.
Join us.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English practice channel.
Hi, everyone. It's so nice to see you again.
Yes, today we will practice English together.
And today's topic is very useful. We will talk about your job.
Yes, talking about your job is very common in daily life.
People ask this question all the time.
Exactly. People often ask, "What do you do?"
Or they ask, what is your job?
Very good. So today we will practice simple English to talk about work.
Yes, and don't worry, we will speak slowly and clearly.
If you want to improve your English listening and speaking, this video will help you.
And if you enjoy learning with us, please like the video.
And subscribe to the channel for more English practice.
All right, let's begin our conversation.
Alice, can I ask you a question?
Of course, David.
What do you do?
That is a good question.
Yes, this is a very common question.
Okay, I will answer. I am a teacher.
Nice, you are a teacher.
Yes, I teach English.
That's perfect for this channel.
Yes, I guess it is.
So listen carefully, everyone.
Alice said, I am a teacher.
Let's repeat slowly.
I am a teacher.
One more time.
I am a teacher.
Now I will ask again. Alice, what do you do?
I am a teacher.
Great.
Now my turn. David, what do you do?
I am a writer.
Oh, really?
Yes, I write lessons and stories.
That's interesting.
Thank you.
Let's practice some simple answers.
Yes, these answers are very useful.
Example 1.
I am a teacher.
Example 2.
I am a student.
Example 3.
I am a doctor.
Example 4.
I am an engineer.
Good. These are simple job sentences.
Let's repeat together. I am a teacher.
I am a student.
I am a doctor.
I am an engineer.
David, can I tell you something funny? Of course.
When I was learning English, I made a funny mistake.
Oh, really? What happened?
Someone asked me, what do you do?
And what did you say?
I said, I do teacher.
Oh, no.
Yes, it was wrong.
The correct sentence is, I am a teacher.
Yes, remember this pattern. I am a...
Exactly. Now let's talk about another question.
Yes, people often ask, where do you work?
Very good question.
David, where do you work?
I work from home.
Oh, you work at home. Yes,
I work on my computer.
that sounds comfortable.
Yes, but sometimes I miss talking to people.
Well, today you are talking to thousands of people.
That's true.
Here are some example answers. I work in a school.
I work in a hospital.
I work in an office.
I work in a restaurant.
Let's repeat slowly. I work in a school.
I work in a hospital.
I work in an office.
I work in a restaurant. Now let's talk about daily tasks.
Yes, what do you do at work?
Alice, what do you do at work?
I teach students.
What else do you do?
I prepare lessons.
That sounds like a lot of work.
Yes, but I enjoy it.
Enjoying your job is very important.
Yes, if you like your job, work feels easier.
Now we have a question for you.
Yes, listen carefully.
What do you do?
Are you a student?
Are you a teacher?
Maybe you are a doctor.
Maybe you work in an office.
Think about your answer.
Try to say it in English.
For example, I am a student.
Or, I am a driver.
David, can I ask another question?
Sure.
When do you work?
Good question. I usually work in the morning.
Morning is a good time to work.
Yes, my brain works better in the morning.
Mine too.
But some people work at night.
Yes, doctors and nurses often work at night.
Let's practice some job vocabulary.
Repeat after us. Teacher,
Teacher,
doctor,
doctor,
engineer,
engineer,
chef.
chef.
Great job, everyone.
Alice, can I tell a small joke?
Of course.
Why did the teacher go to the beach?
I don't know.
To test the water.
That's a funny joke,
Maybe not the best joke.
but it made me laugh.
Let's show a real-life conversation.
Yes, imagine we meet for the first time.
Okay. Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
That's great. Where do you work?
I work in a school.
Very nice.
Now it's your turn.
Pause the video if you want.
And answer these questions. What do you do?
Where do you work?
Do you like your job?
We hope this lesson helps you speak English more confidently.
Remember, practice every day.
Even small practice helps a lot.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments.
What is your job?
Or what job do you want in the future?
We would love to read your answers.
Thank you for practicing English with us today.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.